A company that provides whale watching tours takes groups of 21 people at a time. The company's revenue is $81 per adult and $60 per child. If the company's revenue for one group consisting of adults and children was $1,440, how many people in the group were children? So what I'm going to do is underline our question so that way we know what to look for. How many people in the group were children? Then I'm going to underline what we know in the question. So there's 21 people at a time. The revenue per adult is $80, and for children, that's $60. The total revenue made was $1,144. And we're trying to find how many people were children. So this represents another system of equations. So we know adults, A, plus children, C, the total is 21 people. Our next equation is our revenue. So $80 for each adult plus $60 for each child is equal to $1,440. Now, of course, we could solve this manually by using algebra, but I'm going to use Desmos to plot this system of equations, and I will use X for A and Y for C. So going to Desmos here. So we know that, let me go back here. Okay, so we know X plus Y equals 21, I believe. Yep, 21. And 80X plus 60Y equals 1,440. So now let me go to my Desmos here. Let me zoom in, and it's acting a little bit funky, but we can get through this. Okay, there you go. So we see here X represents adults, that's 9, and children represents Y, that's 12. So going back to our question, how many people in the group were children? That answer is 12. So that would be answer choice C.